Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how we use Math Editor on Blackboard. I'll use this problem to demonstrate how we open the Math Editor window and how we input the math equations on Blackboard. Now here is the question. Convert 27.0 microliter to cubic centimeter. This is a unit conversion problem. Right now, don't worry if you don't know how to do this, because we're going to do a lot of practice regarding unit conversion once we start our lectures. Here, this is just for you to learn how we use the math editor. Okay, so focus on the math. How do we start when you have such a problem? Well, the first step is, of course, open the math editor. Well, you click this icon here, the square root. Well, you will see a new window popping up. Now it's ready for you to type the math equation. Let's start. 27.0 microliter. Well, if you don't know how to find out the micro, that's fine. You can type a microliter if that's what you prefer. Okay, it's completely fine to me. But if you really like those special characters, now here, this is where you find it, right here. Okay, click this tab, you find out mu, micro, liter. All right. Now a times, where is that multiplication sign? Right here, the first tab, times. Now we are going to use the fraction. Okay. Well, here, this is how we start a fraction here, or division. On top, what we will do is 10 to the negative 6 liter. 10 to the negative 6. Remember, negative 6 is the superscript. So how do we do the superscript? Right here. Okay, 10 to the negative 6. Negative 6. Well, now if you type liter directly, liter itself will be a superscript. That's not what we want. Now how do we do it? On your keyboard, you click the right arrow. Okay, so now it becomes a normal font. Now you type space and liter. Oh, and also between these two, there should be a space. Okay, between a number and its unit, there should be a space. But if it's okay if you don't have time or don't want to type the space. I'm just trying to tell you the standard procedures. For those, they are important, but since we are focused on the math itself, these details, it's okay if you want to ignore them. All right, now how about the bottom? That's going to be 1 microliter, 1 space, micro. Again, come back to this tab, micro, and a liter. All right, so this is our first procedure. Then the second procedure would be another part. Okay, would be the another fraction for you to type. Now again, it would be times. Now again, fraction. Now this time it's going to be convert a liter to mil. Now on top, I want to type 1 mil. This is fairly easy. 1 mil. Okay, milliliter. And at the bottom, it's going to be liter. Okay, I want to type 10 to the negative 3 liter, 10 as the base. Now negative 3 superscript, we did this already. Come to this icon, negative 3, and then liter should be its unit. Type the right arrow and space, liter. Now this is the second step. Now third step, move your mouse here and then come back, click times and another fraction here. On top, I want to type 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, so 1 space cubic centimeter, it's cm, and then superscript right here. Third cubic centimeter, and that's it. And then at the bottom, I want to type 1 mil. This is very straightforward. 1 mil, and this is the whole equation. and then after that move your mouse here and click it, and then equal sign, and then you can just do the calculation, find out your final answer. My final answer is 0.0270 cubic centimeter. All right, cm. Now the superscript, we know this already, cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is the whole equation, and then this is pretty much done. If you want to change the font size, you can change that to other font. I mean, usually the default font would be Arial, and then size, you can change the size, of course. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And if you want to make it bold, okay, you can make it bold, part of it, and then you click OK, then it will show up on your screen. Now, sometimes after you finish and you realize, okay, oh, there is a problem. Now, how do we go back to the math editor and edit this equation? Now, what you need to just select this, okay? Select this, just drag your mouse and select the whole equation, and then click this square root again, and it will pop up in this window, and you can do your addition. Okay, so and there are a bunch of other tools here, but I believe this video will show you those most common used symbols, equations, those kind of things. Okay, so I think this should be enough for you to handle the math equation in this class. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Of course, do some practice and get familiar with this math editor. It might be able to help you later on when you do our quiz or exams. All right. Okay. Good.